Hi, today I'm going to walk you through getting over a hangover using Feel Way Better, our hangover recovery packs. This product contains a number of recovery-focused ingredients such as B vitamins, vitamin C, a number of different electrolytes with sugar for efficient rehydration, L-Tyrosine for focus, and the star of our show, DHM, which stands for dihydromyricetin, designed to mitigate the effects of alcohol and therefore protect your liver. One sachet is enough to help you against a tough night out. In order to use this product, you'll want to take one sachet of Feel Way Better. Each bag comes with 16 individual sachets. You can open up the sachet and then pour it into a cup or a bottle of your choice. Then you can add 8 to 16 ounces of water. In this video, we're using 8 ounces of water, stirring as we reach the halfway mark because we can't shake it in a bottle. After that, we're topping the rest off with water. Once the package has been mixed in, you can go ahead and sip, chug, however you like, and get on your way towards hangover recovery if you're late, and hangover prevention if you're early. This product has been designed to mitigate risks of hangxiety as well as other hangover-related symptoms such as headaches, thirst, nausea, fatigue, dizziness, irritability, and more. Remember to always drink responsibly, but consider incorporating products like these into your wellness routine. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you next time.